Hello friends, welcome to my channel Botanical Studies. In this video, we will discuss about the rock garden as a part of outdoor garden. A rock garden is also known as a rockery or an alpine garden. It is a small field or a plot of ground designed to feature and emphasizes a variety of rocks and stones. The standard layout for a rock garden consists of a piles of aesthetically arranged rocks in different sizes with small gaps. In the crevices, the plants are arranged. The stones help the plants in retaining their moisture and keeping their roots cool. In plains, on the sunny sides, some of the cacti and succulents can be grown successfully, and in shades, ferns and some indoor plants also look natural on the rockery slopes. Rock gardens have become increasingly popular as a landscape feature in tropical countries. This rockery is ideal for both residential and commercial gardens due to its easier maintenance and drainage. Site selection for rockery. A rock garden should be situated in an open part of the garden. It is often advised that a non-shaded corner of the garden should be devoted for the making of rock garden. The rock garden should get all the sun possible or at least for half the day, preferably in the forenoon. Components of the rockery. First, rock. The placement and selection of rocks is an important factor for the construction of rockery. Rock should be of local origin, porous, and have a withered look. Granite is unsuitable, whereas a withered limestone is ideal. Stones of uniform size having a diameter around 60 cm should be selected, and a few stones should be as large as can be handled without much difficulty. Second, soil. Rock plants do not grow extensively on rocks, and hence a good soil is needed for every rock garden. A soil full of coarse sand, plenty of leaf mold, and well-rotten farmyard manure is quite suitable for the plants. The soil should be well drained and have the property to absorb sufficient moisture. If it is not naturally so, this can be created by adding sand or gravel. Plants for the rock garden. Typically, plants found in the rock garden are small and do not grow larger than 1 meter in height. Those small trees and shrubs up to 6 meter may be used to create shaded area for a rock garden. Kalanchoe thyrciflora, commonly called as flapjack or dog tongue plant. It is a succulent plant. Do not tolerate frost and prefer a moist climate. Leaves are smooth and felted. White flowers are often showy. Haworthia attenuata are quite succulent and filled with a translucent gel that resembles with the aloe vera. Depending upon the type, they can be vary in size and colors, ranges from green to brown to variegated. Most prefer shade or dappled sunlight and grow during the winter in mild climates. Graptopetalum species are fleshy white or light gray succulent that forms beautiful rosette. In the garden, it is great performing ground cover and also can be used in rock gardens on rockery slopes. Hens and chicks is a mat forming succulent that produces rosette clusters. The parent rosette are called as hens, and the smaller rosettes that offshoots from them are the chicks. The plant grows well in rock garden as well as in stone walls or between garden stepping stones. Echeveria elegans is a succulent from beautiful intricate rosettes available in variety of colors: white, gray, green, pink, and red. Leaves are fleshy and green or gray-green. Golden barrel cactus. This iconic round cactus is easily recognizable and probably the most popular type used in drought-tolerant areas. It can be grow up to 4 feet tall. Aponcia is a type of cactus with low maintenance and drought-tolerant variety. Agave americana is also with low maintenance and drought-tolerant variety. The Shanta daisy is a low-maintenance perennial flower. It blooms in the summer, adding appeal to borders, gardens, and containers. Purple fountain grass is an ornamental grass that is often grown as an annual outside of its hardness. It grows best in full sun but can tolerate a little shade. Gardeners use purple fountain grass both as a stand-alone specimen plant or as well as in grouping for greater impact. Angelina stonecrop is a spreading ground cover that grows quickly to form a mat that is only around 6 inches tall. When the plant gets more sun, its foliage turns golden. It produces small star-shaped yellow bloom in early to mid-summer. Creeping phlox is a ground-hanging plant that's frequently seen in the rock gardens or filling in crevices, stone walls, or slopes. It grows well in shady or gravelly soil and can tolerate heat and drought better than some of the other phlox species. Management of the rockery. The rock garden should be weeded periodically and all dying or dead leaves and branches are removed. Rock plants are replanted every 4 to 5 years or they may be top dressed every year with a mixture of compost, garden soil, fine sand and a leaf mold in equal proportion. Periodically, the rock plants may be fed with liquid. The famous rock gardens of India. Rock gardens are public gardens filled with hundreds of pottery-covered concrete sculptures of dancers, musicians, and animals. Sculptures made from recycled ceramic, stones, and rocks are the major attractions of these gardens. The most beautiful and famous rock gardens of India are Chandigarh Rock Garden, Darjeeling Rock Garden, Utsav Rock Garden, Oraukula Rock Garden Ranchi, Malampurza Rock Garden, Sir John Anderson Rock Garden, Malvan Rock Garden, and Rock Garden Nerul. Chandigarh Rock Garden. Nekhchand Rock Garden of Chandigarh, also known as Rock Garden of Chandigarh, is a sculpture garden situated near Sukhna Lake and consists of man-made interlinked waterfalls and many other sculptures. Rock Garden Darjeeling. The Rock Garden of Darjeeling is also known as Barboti Rock Garden in the hilly town of Darjeeling and one of the major tourist attractions of Darjeeling. Barboti Rock Garden along with Chunnu Summer Falls, Ganga Maya Park and other rock garden, Sir John Anderson Rock Garden offers beautiful view of valley. Utsav Rock Garden. The Utsav Rock Garden of Karnataka features art and rural culture of South India with its thousands of sculptures of art village, traditional craftsmen and artisans. Utsav Rock Garden is a unique one with the international standards and there is no rock garden like this in the whole world. Oraukula Rock Garden. Oraukula Rock Garden is located on NH18 highway outside the village of Oraukal in Kurnool. The park used as a site for film production and there is a restaurant, boating, a cave museum and picnic areas. Rock Garden Ranchi. Rock Garden in Ranchi is a beautiful place of tourist attraction. It stands next to that of the Jaipur Rock Garden. The rock garden is carved out of the rocks of Gonda Hills and resembles its design to Rock Garden of Jaipur. So this is all about Rock Garden.